Your phone rings.
You look at the screen.
The call is in English.
And suddenly, even hello feels difficult.
Leo, phone calls can feel scary for English beginners.
Yes, Emma. On the phone, I cannot see the person's face.
And the voice can sound fast.
Sometimes I understand one word, then miss the next 5 words.
That is why today we will practice simple phone call English.
From the beginning to the end?
Yes, from hello to goodbye.
Good. I need simple English for real phone calls.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, you will practice a full phone call in English. Today, we will use a simple phone call map.
A phone call map?
Yes. Hello, name, reason, question, check, goodbye.
Hello, name, reason, question, check, goodbye.
Good. This map helps you know what to say next.
So I do not need to panic?
Exactly. Phone calls are easier when you follow a path.
First I say hello.
Yes.
Then I say who I am.
Good.
Then I say why I am calling.
Perfect.
That already feels easier.
Let's start with the first word.
Hello.
Exactly. Simple, but important. When you answer the phone, you can say, hello.
Hello?
Very simple, but your voice should sound friendly.
Hello?
Good. If you call someone, you can also say, hello, this is Leo.
Hello, this is Leo.
Good. This means you are telling the person your name.
Can I say, I am Leo?
Yes, but on the phone, this is Leo sounds more natural.
This is Leo.
Hello, this is Emma.
Hello, this is Leo.
Excellent.
So, first line, hello, this is Leo.
Perfect. That is your safe phone call start. Let's practice answering a call.
Okay.
Hello, is this Leo?
Yes, this is Leo.
Hi, Leo. This is Emma from the English room.
Hi, Emma.
Very good.
Whew, that was easy.
Now try when you do not know the caller.
Okay.
Hello, is this Leo?
Yes, this is Leo. Who is calling, please?
Excellent.
Who is calling, please?
That is polite and useful.
Yes, this is Leo. Who is calling, please?
Perfect phone English. Now, let's learn how to ask for someone on the phone.
Like if I call an office?
Exactly. Say, can I speak to Sarah, please?
Can I speak to Sarah, please?
Good. This is very common.
Can I speak to Mr. Smith, please?
Excellent.
Can I speak to the manager, please?
Good.
What if the person is not there?
You may hear, she is not available right now.
She is not available right now.
Or, he is in a meeting.
He is in a meeting.
Then you can ask to leave a message.
I need that phrase.
Say, can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message?
Good. A message is a short note for the person.
Can I leave a message for Sarah?
Very good. Sarah is not available right now.
Okay. Can I leave a message?
Sure. What is the message?
Please ask her to call me back.
Excellent.
Please ask her to call me back.
That means you want Sarah to call you later.
Call me back.
Yes. Very useful.
Can I leave a message? Please ask her to call me back.
Perfect. Now, let's say why we are calling.
This is important.
I'm calling about.
I'm calling about.
This phrase tells the reason for your call.
I'm calling about my appointment.
Good.
I'm calling about my order.
Good.
I'm calling about the meeting.
Excellent. You can also say, I'm calling to.
I'm calling to.
I'm calling to confirm my appointment.
I'm calling to confirm my appointment.
I'm calling to ask a question.
I'm calling to ask a question.
Good. These are simple and powerful phone phrases. Let's practice calling a clinic.
Okay. I am calling about an appointment.
Good morning, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling about my appointment.
Sure. What time is your appointment?
It is at 3 o'clock.
Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Leo Martin.
Good. Very clear.
I followed the map.
Yes. Hello, name, reason.
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling about my appointment.
Perfect. Now let's practice asking someone to repeat.
I need this for every phone call.
Sorry. Could you repeat that?
Sorry. Could you repeat that?
Use this when you do not hear clearly.
Sorry. Could you repeat that?
If the person speaks too fast, say, could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Good. This is polite.
I feel shy saying that.
It is normal. Phone calls are not always clear.
So I can ask again?
Yes. Never pretend you understand important information.
Sorry. Could you repeat that?
Excellent. Let's practice a fast phone call.
Okay.
Your appointment is moved to Thursday at 4:30.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Your appointment is moved to Thursday at 4:30.
Thursday at 4:30?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. You repeated the information to check it.
So I can say the information again.
Yes, this is called checking.
Thursday at 4:30?
Good. This helps avoid mistakes.
Very useful for phone calls.
Exactly. Now, let's learn what to say when you need time.
Like when I need to check something?
Yes, say, 1 moment, please.
1 moment, please.
Good. You can also say, let me check.
Let me check.
1 moment, please. Let me check.
1 moment, please. Let me check.
This is useful when someone asks for your name, number, address, or appointment time.
So I do not need to answer too fast.
Exactly.
1 moment, please. Let me check my email.
Perfect.
If this lesson is helping you, like the video so you can practice before your next phone call.
And keep watching because we will practice a full phone call soon. Let's practice needing time.
Okay.
Can I have your booking number?
1 moment, please. Let me check.
Sure.
The booking number is A427.
Thank you.
That felt natural.
Yes, you gave yourself time.
Phone calls feel easier when I have time phrases.
Exactly. Time phrases help you stay calm.
1 moment, please.
Let me check.
1 moment, please. Let me check.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about wrong numbers.
Oh, this happens sometimes.
If someone calls the wrong number, say, I think you have the wrong number.
I think you have the wrong number.
Good. This is polite.
Sorry, I think you have the wrong number.
Excellent.
What if I call the wrong number?
Say, sorry, I called the wrong number.
Sorry, I called the wrong number.
Sorry, I called the wrong number. Have a nice day.
Sorry, I called the wrong number. Have a nice day.
Perfect. Simple and polite.
Even wrong calls can be easy.
Yes, if you know the phrase. Let's practice wrong number calls.
Okay.
Hello, can I speak to Daniel?
Sorry, I think you have the wrong number.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Very good.
That was short and clear.
Yes. Now you call the wrong number. Hello.
Can I speak to Sarah?
There is no Sarah here.
Sorry, I called the wrong number. Have a nice day.
Perfect.
I can handle a wrong number now.
Exactly. Now let's learn how to end a phone call.
This is important. I never know how to finish.
Say, thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Thanks for calling.
Thanks for calling.
I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
And finally, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good. A simple ending is enough.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Perfect phone call ending.
Now I know how to finish.
Let's practice a full ending.
Okay.
Your appointment is confirmed for Monday at 10 o'clock.
Monday at 10 o'clock?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Excellent.
That felt complete.
Yes, you checked the information, thanked the person, and ended politely.
Phone calls have a structure.
Exactly. Structure makes phone calls less scary.
I can do this.
Now, let's practice leaving a voicemail.
Voicemail feels difficult.
Keep it short.
What should I say?
Hello, this is Leo.
Hello, this is Leo.
I'm calling about my appointment.
I'm calling about my appointment.
Please call me back.
Please call me back.
My number is 555-1234.
My number is 555-1234.
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling about my appointment. Please call me back. My number is 555-1234. Thank you.
That is simple.
Yes, voicemail should be simple. Now, you leave a voicemail.
Okay.
Please leave a message after the beep.
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling about my order. Please call me back. My number is 555-1234. Thank you. Goodbye.
Very good.
I did not say too much.
Exactly. On voicemail, short is better.
Name, reason, callback, number, thank you.
Perfect.
Name, reason, callback, number, thank you.
That is your voicemail map.
I can leave a message now.
Yes, you can. Now let's do a quick quiz. I will give a situation and you say the phrase.
Okay, I am ready.
You answer the phone. What do you say?
Hello, this is Leo.
Good. You want to talk to Sarah. What do you say?
Can I speak to Sarah, please?
You are calling about your appointment. What do you say?
I'm calling about my appointment.
You did not hear the time. What do you say?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
You need a moment to check. What do you say?
One moment, please. Let me check.
The call is finished. What do you say?
Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
Excellent. You remembered every phrase. Now, let's do a full phone call from hello to goodbye.
Okay, I will follow the map.
Good morning. City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling about my appointment.
Sure. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Leo Martin.
Thank you. Your appointment is on Friday at 2:30.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Friday at 2:30.
Friday at 2:30?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Excellent full phone call. Let's review your phone call map.
I'm ready.
Start with hello.
Hello, this is Leo.
Ask for the person.
Can I speak to Sarah, please?
Say the reason.
I'm calling about my appointment.
Ask for repetition.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Ask for time.
One moment, please. Let me check.
End politely.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Excellent. From hello to goodbye, you now have a simple phone call path.
Phone calls feel less scary now.
English phone calls can feel difficult for beginners.
But I do not need perfect English.
Exactly. You need simple, clear phrases.
Hello, this is Leo.
Good.
I'm calling about my appointment.
Nice.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Perfect.
Now practice in the comments.
Write one phone call sentence. You can start with, hello, this is...
Hello, this is Leo. I'm calling about my appointment.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more easy English conversation practice.
Remember, start with hello, speak slowly, and end politely.
Practice one call at a time, from hello to goodbye.